Guys, today we are going to do the subtle brown makeup look. It goes well with desi or non-desi, casual as well as formal look. So let's get started. As always, we're going to start with our eyeshadow primer and dab it with fingertips. I will be using just one brown color from my ColourPop palette and a transition color for this look. Using a brush, dab the brown eyeshadow onto the eyelids. I'm not being too particular about where I'm putting it, as you're going to be blending it anyway. Just make sure to follow the shape of your eyelid, and as you go, you start to blend it. Use a clean buffing brush to blend the edges. My favorite is this Morph E23, with which I'm going to buff out the edges with a transition color, which is a color which is very close to your skin color on your eyelid. This color should be placed on the crease and blended upwards to your brow bone. Using the Precision Smudge brush by Sephora Collection, I'm placing the same brown eyeshadow in the outer corners of my eyelid. While doing so, I'm following the line from the outer corner of my eyes to the tip of my eyebrows. Then I'm cleaning the edges again to soften them. This is a great look that you can wear every day for office or college or anywhere really. This look is super easy and it gets done in no time. It is also a very natural looking makeup look. Taking this Fenty Beauty highlighter, I'm highlighting under my brow bone as well as the inner corners of my eyes. This helps to lift your brow area, giving you a natural eye lift. I'm blending this with the shadow so there are no harsh margins in between. When applying any eyeliner, make sure that it has enough product in it and it is not dried up, as it can tug on your skin as it did here. So I changed it immediately to another eyeliner, which is of the same brand, the Tarte Double Take eyeliner. But always make sure that it has enough product in it. I'm using the other side of the same eyeliner, which is the creamy portion, to fill any gaps in between the eyeliner. Using a Q-tip and micellar water, I'm going to just correct the eyeliner where it has either smudged or cracked or it's not in a continuous line. I'm also tightlining my eyes using the same eyeliner as well as my lower lash line. I like to apply my eyeliner only 3/4 of the way in to create doe-shaped eyes instead of lining it all the way in, as that can make your eyes look really small. The doe shape really lifts your eyes up again. Now the mascara comes next. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, which I'm applying all the way from the roots of my lashes and rolling it upwards and outwards. This Maybelline Under Eye Brightener is my one step to instantly look away. It's perfect for days when you wake up hungover or groggy. It has an applicator, but I prefer to use a brush or a beauty blender to blend it just so it is easier to do so. You could also use a color corrector underneath if you wish to cancel any grays, but I haven't used it here at all. I'm setting this with the Bare Minerals Talc-Free Setting Powder. Use it very sparingly on the areas that are prone to creasing. I'm applying the Becca Cosmetics Backlight Priming Filter Primer, which creates a super glowy base. I sometimes just use this primer after my moisturizer to get that no makeup glow. I'm following this with the Bare Minerals Tinted Gel Moisturizer in Ginger. If you're wearing any off-shoulder or cold shoulder top, make sure that all the visible areas are of the same color and well blended as well. So here I'm applying on my neck also, and I also applied a little bit on my shoulders. A little different than usual, but I'm going with my blush first this time. This shade is slightly pinkish brown. It's the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out blush in Rose Latte. It's my favorite blush. It doubles as a contour as well. I'm applying it just below my cheekbones like a contour powder or a contour stick, and I'm going to blend it like a blush for a subtle hint of color. This blush brush by Real Technique is fluffy and helps in blending the blush beautifully without causing any streaks. I'm just going to warm up my complexion now using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Nude Bronze. It's a subtle bronzing as a blush is also close to a brown shade, so we don't want it to look too brown either. One technique that I've learned from Katie Jane Hughes is applying concealer after the blush. Now, if you haven't checked her work on Instagram, you're really missing out. You should go check it out. This helps to tone down the blush, and also the blush looks more natural and blended. It also helps cover any remaining areas to be concealed. For this step, I'm using the Bare Mineral Serum Concealer. Any shadows that may be created during the blush application or any fallout from the shadow are going to go with this concealer. My favorite step in this makeup routine is the highlighter. This highlighter in Mean Money Hustla Baby by Fenty Beauty is so amazing. It's like liquid gold on your face. I'm applying it on the high points of my cheeks, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose as well. Finally, to finish off this bronzy brown look, this Marc Jacobs lipstick in Burn Notice is a sizzling brown shade. Again, I'm going to use Q-tips and micellar water to correct any errors. This micellar water by Bioderma is great. It doesn't make your skin oily like some makeup removers and is great to correct any errors. Adding a lighter nude shade in the center of the lips creates dimension and gives your lips a fuller appearance. Dab it with your fingertips or a lip brush to just blend it. Okay, now I'm going to apply a second coat of mascara and finishing the lower lash line using the same brown eyeshadow. Smudge it as you apply. You can do this step right after the concealer and foundation, but don't do it before the concealer. After that, I'm also applying some mascara on the lower lashes so my eye look is completed at that point. Now I'm gonna set everything up with a makeup setting spray by Too Faced, and voila! You're ready for a date with your Valentine in no time and minimum products. The makeup setting spray helps to keep your makeup intact for 8 to 10 hours straight. And here's my final look, guys. You can wear this makeup anywhere for a Valentine's date or a party or office or college, anywhere. I popped on some lashes later on for a little drama, which we all love. As always, comment on this video, share with your friends, family, and anyone who enjoys makeup. Follow me on Instagram at make.up.simplified. Tag me with #makeoverbycash. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Enjoy!